This video is about blockchain technology, just for beginners. Introduction to blockchain. Blockchain technology, often dubbed the digital ledger of the future, has transformed industries and promises to reshape the way we conduct transactions, secure data, and establish trust in an increasingly interconnected world. In this exploration of blockchain, we'll delve into its origins, core concepts, and the myriad ways it's revolutionizing our digital landscape. The birth of blockchain. The inception of blockchain can be traced back to 2008, when an individual or group operating under the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto released a white paper titled Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. Bitcoin, the first blockchain application, emerged as a decentralized digital currency built on the groundbreaking technology called blockchain. Understanding blockchain. At its core, a blockchain is a distributed and immutable ledger that records transactions across a network of computers. These transactions are grouped into blocks, and each new block is linked to the previous one, forming a continuous chain. The distributed nature of the ledger ensures transparency and security. Decentralization and trust. A defining feature of blockchain is decentralization. Unlike traditional systems that rely on central authorities, blockchain operates on a peer-to-peer network. This means no single entity has control, and transactions are validated collectively by network participants. This decentralization fosters trust, as there's no need to rely on intermediaries. Security through cryptography. Blockchain security is underpinned by advanced cryptographic techniques. Each participant on the network has a private key and a public key. The private key, known only to the owner, authorizes transactions, while the public key serves as the user's address on the blockchain. Transactions are secured through digital signatures and are tamper-proof once added to the blockchain. Use cases beyond Bitcoin. While Bitcoin is the most well-known blockchain application, the technology extends far beyond cryptocurrency. Blockchain has found applications in various sectors, including supply chain management, healthcare, finance, real estate, and more. Its ability to provide transparency and traceability has made it invaluable in these fields. Smart contracts. Smart contracts are self-executing agreements with predefined rules and conditions. These contracts are encoded onto the blockchain and automatically execute when conditions are met. Ethereum, a blockchain platform, popularized smart contracts and opened the door to decentralized applications, dApps. Challenges and scalability. Despite its potential, blockchain faces challenges. Scalability remains a pressing issue, as some blockchain networks struggle to handle a large number of transactions simultaneously. Additionally, regulatory concerns and energy consumption have raised questions about blockchain's environmental impact. Private versus public blockchains. Blockchain networks can be categorized into two main types: public and private. Public blockchains like Bitcoin and Ethereum are open to anyone, transparent, and decentralized. Private blockchains are controlled by a single organization or consortium, offering greater control but sacrificing some of the decentralization and transparency. Blockchain and financing blockchain's impact on the financial sector has been profound. It has given rise to cryptocurrencies, stablecoins, and decentralized financing, DeFi, platforms that enable peer-to-peer lending, trading, and more. Blockchain also reduces the settlement time for financial transactions and minimizes the risk of fraud. Supply chain and identity management. Blockchain is transforming supply chain management by enhancing transparency and traceability. Companies can track the journey of products from manufacturing to delivery, reducing fraud and ensuring authenticity. Moreover, blockchain offers secure identity management, reducing the risk of identity theft. The road ahead blockchain technology continues to evolve, With ongoing efforts to address scalability, energy efficiency, and regulatory challenges, its potential to disrupt various industries and empower individuals remains a driving force behind its growth. As blockchain applications become more integrated into our daily lives, the digital revolution it heralds is set to become an enduring reality. Conclusion. Blockchain technology, born out of the desire for a secure and decentralized digital currency, has transcended its origins. It has emerged as a transformative force that promises to revolutionize how we interact, conduct business, and establish trust in the digital age. As we embrace the blockchain revolution, we find ourselves on the precipice of a new era in technology, one characterized by transparency, decentralization, and boundless possibilities. Dear friend, if you enjoyed this video, please consider liking it and subscribing to our channel. Your support means a lot to us. Thank you for watching.